All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to begin by going to screencastify.com/education. This has a link to add the extension for Screencastify to Chrome. You're going to select that link, which will take you to the Chrome Web Store, install the extension into Chrome, and then allow the permissions required for recording with the microphone and your screen. Now that you get Screencastify enabled on your computer, the icon for it is in the upper right next to the URL bar. Click on that, select and record entire desktop, and select your appropriate microphone, and then click Begin Record. After a 3-second countdown, you're going to see nothing has changed from a normal operating desktop. That's what we want. What we want to do then is select the program we want to take a look at. In this case, we're going to look at Robot C, where we're doing our coding. If you take a look, I've got a code up here. We've got our pragma statement set up, our complex, simple, and basic behaviors in the form of pseudocode written, and our code written below that. What we need to do then is hit compile program, give it a moment, and in this case, you'll see we have code errors present. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a look at your error log. Down here, I see on line 29 and on line 43, I have errors. On line 29, it says unmatched left brace, and on line 43, it says expected closing brace found EOF, the end of file instead. So I know what happened in this case because it's explained in these errors. If I decode it, our task main, the main portion of our program, has its opening brace that contains the code, but it's not matched at the end of the file. Every one of these opening braces has to have a paired closing brace. In this case, what I want to do to fix that is add another line and then add a closing brace. Once I've done that, should I compile again, you're going to see that the error disappears. What you're going to do is you're going to use Screencastify to explain what's going on in your code, to go through your pseudocode and say how it relates to the actual code that you've written. You're going to take a look at your error log, decode any of the errors that you see there, explain how you're going to fix them, and then fix them while recording. When you're done, go back into Chrome, click on the Screencastify icon in the upper right again, and then you're going to hit the stop arrow.